Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data and removing the simplest ad sources. Back up your phone now, because app resets can remove saved data. Next, go into Settings, then Apps, and open your default browser permissions. Disable pop-ups and redirects and clear the browser cache and data. Once done, reboot the phone so those browser-level ad behaviors reset. This removes many in-browser ads and prevents quick reappearance from cached scripts. Next, you identify apps and services that inject ads into the system. Open Settings right arrow apps and sort by recent activity or data usage. Check any unfamiliar apps and uninstall or disable them. Disable notifications for apps that push ads because many ad modules use notifications. If ads persist, install a reputable ad detector app or review system apps for carrier bloatware. Disable non-essential packages. Make sure to reboot after disabling to let the system stop their background processes and add services. For final cleanup, use network-level blocking and hardened apps. Change your DNS to a blocker service or one with filtering, and install an ad-blocking browser or a VPN-based ad blocker to stop ads across apps. Once configured, restart and verify ads are gone. If ads remain, boot into safe mode to confirm a third-party app is the culprit. If identified, uninstall it. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing removes persistent ads, perform a factory reset after backing up, or contact Infinix support for suspected firmware-level adware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.